I am gonna show you how to see first message on Instagram without scrolling. A lot of people have sent messages like 4 years ago or 3 years ago, and there is no way they can skip scrolling. Like, it will take forever to find the first message. So that's why I made this video, to help you guys fix this problem. What you want to do, guys, you want to open your Instagram, and after that you want to click the messages. You want to click where you can see the messages. Now I am going to select, for example, this person. Now if I want to see the first message this person sent me or I sent, I can't just keep scrolling like this because it will take forever. So what you can do, guys, you want to click the battery icon in the top. Okay, you want to keep clicking the battery in the top right. Okay, you want to click. Now recording the video, that's why it doesn't work. So what you want to do, guys, you want to keep clicking where it says here 35% battery. You want to keep clicking that icon. You want to keep clicking that battery sticker or whatever they call it, or just keep clicking it in the top right. You want to keep clicking it and keep clicking it a few times, and you will be able to see the first message on Instagram. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Keep in mind that you have to do it multiple times if you have like a lot of messages, but that's the best way I have found. I have done a lot of research about this, and that's the best way, guys.